Hey there! Today's the 9th day before Christmas, and the only thing we're going to be doing is baking some flour for this recipe. We're going to be doing some festive edible cookie dough. It's very easy, and I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this. We're going to be starting this off easy by getting a sheet pan with parchment paper. You can use a quarter sheet pan or a half sheet pan. And then pour your 2 cups of flour onto this and spread it evenly. You're going to want to bake this at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then allow it to completely cool. Then take 1 cup of butter and soften it up. I like to use unsalted butter at room temperature. And don't forget to use your spatula to scrape the bowl. Then you're going to add in your 1.5 cups of sugar. You can always add a pinch of salt to cut some of the sweetness if you're using unsalted butter. Combine it well until it gets fluffy. And scrape it again to incorporate everything well. Then place this aside and get your milk. Add your vanilla extract to this. You can also add some almond extract or some peppermint extract. Pour in half of that flour. Mix it together. Then add in your milk with the vanilla extract and combine this all well. Grabbing that spatula again, incorporate everything. Then add in the rest of your flour and just mix this all well together. You can also add some chocolate chips or anything. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see another variety of edible cookie doughs. To finish this off, just scrape your bowl again, combine all your ingredients well. And I'm going to be adding some sprinkles to this, some red and green jimmies. Just add some in there and with your spatula incorporate it all well. Top it off with more sprinkles, and there it is. Here is our edible festive cookie dough. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see pictures of everything I've been creating for 12 days of baked goods, I am posting on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all my links will be in the description box down below. If you want to keep up to date with all these recipes that I'm going to be creating, hit the subscribe button as well. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet.